All real numbers are either positive or negative. Positive numbers are those that are greater than 0, negative numbers are those that are less than 0. We can easily see this on a number line. Here we have a simple number line with 0 in the middle. Positive numbers are to the right, negative numbers are to the left. We can write positive 3 as a plus sign with a 3, but more generally speaking we just write it as a 3. The positive sign is understood. Negative 4 would be written properly with a negative sign in the top left hand corner of the 4, but more commonly it is written with the negative sign in the middle, and more commonly it is called -4. How do we add and subtract positive and negative numbers without using a calculator? We can use a number line to do this, as I'll show you here, but with practice you should be able to do it in your head. So take two examples. -4 add 5, and 4 subtract 9. If we use a number line for the first example, we start with -4, then we have to add 5. That is, go 5 places forward on the number line. If we go 4 places forward, we get to 0. If we go 1 more place forward, so we're adding our 5, we get to 1. So our answer is +1, or simply 1. We can do the same thing with 4 subtract 9. We start at 4 and have to go 9 steps backwards. If we go 4 steps backwards, we come to 0. Another 5 and we come to -5. So we've gone 9 steps backwards in total, which gives us our answer, -5. But what if we want to add or subtract negative numbers? What if we had 8 add -10 and -7 add -3? Well, adding a negative number is the same as subtracting a positive number. It's as if we reverse the signs. So that's 8 minus 10. Similarly, -7 add -3 becomes -7 subtract 3. So 8 subtract 10 on our number line, we start at 8 and go back 10 places, which gives us -2. And with the final example, we start at -7 and take away 3. So we go backwards 3, which gives us -10. Finally, what if we subtract negative numbers? For example, what if we have 4 subtract -3 and -2 subtract -1? In both cases, we're subtracting negative numbers. Because we have two negatives together, they cancel each other out and become an add. So 4 add 3 for the first one, and -2 subtract -1 becomes -2 add 1 for the second one. Well, 4 add 3 is dead easy, that's 7. In the second example, we start at -2 on our number line and move forward 1 place to the right to add 1, which gives us our answer, -1. So when we add negative numbers, that's the same as subtracting positive numbers. When we subtract negative numbers, that's the same as adding positive numbers.
Running silver through the night.